In this lecture, we're gonna show how to create crop view. Crop view crops existing view to show only a portion of the view. For example, we have this view and we don't want to show the whole view. We want to only show the portion of this view. For example, this portion of this view. So we can go to view layout and we have crop view here. So let's select crop view. So we got a message here that first we have to create a closed sketch profile. So let's go to sketch. So we can use or circle or spline. Let's go with spline. And let's define a sketch here like this. And now we can go to view layout, crop view, and we gotta crop off an existing view. And now we can have this view and we can insert front view here. Okay, we can go to change scale like this. And now we have a front view and we have a crop view of this front view.